Good morning to all. Today we will discuss about the disruptive behavioral disorder. Already we seen childhood disorder in that ADHD and autism. Then today we will see about the conduct disorder. Okay. In disruptive behavioral disorder, there are two types: oppositional deficient disorder and conduct disorder. Oppositional defense disorder is a recurrent pattern of negativism, defiant, disobedient and hostile behavior toward the authority figures. Then conduct disorder is a persistent pattern of antisocial behavior in which person break the rules. Okay. Conduct disorder, that is a one type of childhood behavioral and emotional disorder. Conduct disorder is a serious behavioral and emotional disorder that can occur in children and teens. A child with this disorder may display a pattern of disruptive and violent behavior and have problem following rules. मीन्स આની અંદર પર્સન વાયલન્ટ બિહેવિયર કરે છે અને રૂલ્સ છે સોસાયટીના એ ફોલો કરતું નથી, એન્ટી સોશિયલ બિહેવિયર ધરાવે છે. ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ conduct disorder. Conduct disorder are categorized according to the age at which symptom of disorder first occurs. In that first, childhood onset occurs when the sign of conduct disorder appear before age 10. Then second, unspecified onset means the age at which conduct disorder first occur is unknown. Then third, adolescence onset occur when the sign of conduct disorder appears during the teenage years. જ્યારે teenage age ની અંદર sign appear થાય અને adolescence onset conduct disorder કહેવાય છે. Then cause of conduct disorder, in that first, genetic factors that mostly twin studies show relationship. Then second, organic factors in that brain damage or any brain disease. Then third, biochemical factors in that dysregulation of the neurotransmitters. Then fourth one is psychosocial factors in that child abuse, a dysfunctional family, then parents who abuse drugs or alcohol, then poverty, and last parental rejection. જો parental rejection હોય તો એના લીધે પણ conduct disorder develop થાય છે. Then risk factor of conduct disorder, in that being male, living in an urban environment or poverty, having a family history of conduct disorder or mental illness, then having other psychiatric disorder, then drugs abuse or alcohol, then dysfunctional home environment, then having a history of experience traumatic event, and last being abused or neglected. જો ચાઇલ્ડ એબ્યુઝ થયેલું હોય તો અથવા નેગ્લેક્ટેડ ચાઇલ્ડ હોય તો એના અંદર પણ conduct disorder ડેવલપ થાય છે. Then symptoms of conduct disorder, and in the most four common type છે. First, aggressive conduct, in that intimidating or bullying others. Bullying means like ragging. Then physically harming people, then committing rape and using a weapons, means કોઈ ધારદાર વસ્તુનો યુઝ કરતું હોય અથવા એનાથી બીજાને હાર્મ કરતું હોય. Then deceitful behavior means છેતરપિંડી કરવું, and in the lying, then breaking and entering, then stealing and forgery. Then destructive behavior. Destructive conduct may include arson and other intentional destruction of property. Arson means કે ફાયર થ્રુ કે કોઈ અધર રીતે પ્રોપર્ટીને નુકસાન પહોંચાડવું અથવા પ્રોપર્ટી ડિસ્ટ્રોય કરવી. દેટ ઇઝ અ ડિસ્ટ્રક્ટિવ બિહેવિયર. Then violation of the rules. In violation of rules, skipping સ્કૂલને સ્કીપ કરવી, then running away from home, drug and alcoholનો યુઝ કરવો, and sexual behavior at very young age. Okay. Then diagnosis, in that complete history collection કરવું. Then educational history we have to assess to determine cognitive deficit, learning disability or problem in the IQ level. And last, neurological examination to assess any brain damage or disease. Then treatment modalities, in that drugs, most commonly anticonvulsant and lithium are used. Other than that, antipsychotic also used. Then psychotherapy, ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ અને ફેમિલી થેરાપી યુઝ થાય છે. દેન ગાઈડન્સ એન્ડ કાઉન્સલિંગ પણ યુઝ થાય છે. એન્ડ સોશિયલ સ્કિલ ટ્રેનિંગ એન્ડ ઇન ધ રોલ પ્લેઇંગ, મોડલિંગ, શેપિંગ ઓફ ધ બિહેવિયર યુઝ થાય છે ટુ ચેન્જ ધ બિહેવિયર. દેન નર્સિંગ મેનેજમેન્ટ, allot sufficient staff and provide close supervision to the child. Proper staff allot કરવો. Then observe the child for anger cues, encourage activity, then set limit for the manipulation of the behavior. Then provide immediate feedback for the positive behavior and encourage the child to maintain the activity logbook and make daily entry of activities in his own way to analyze his activity oneself.